Yes. See, we have talked about this natural phenomena. So, what is this natural phenomena? You have told me earlier that natural phenomena is you told me tsunami, you have spoke about the lightning, and then you have spoke about the earthquakes, and all these things are natural phenomena which happens. But in our book, we have read about the one person who has discovered the static electricity. Who is it? Is Benjamin Franklin. Okay, so Benjamin Franklin, what he did, there was a kite in the sky, and this sky was what happened, inducting this electricity here. So there was electricity positive charges, and here the negative charges were formed, and Benjamin Franklin got this electricity here in the sky. So today I'll show you this static electricity, how it is produced. The static electricity is produced, there is a particles in the air, and when it is just in the friction, in this type of, when there is a friction in the air with the air particles and all frictions takes place, then what happens, it produces static electricity. So we'll be showing you how the static electricity forms. Suppose in a friction, suppose there is a friction in between these things. When I am just putting it, see, there is a light waves coming. So what happens, this is also out of friction, heat is produced. Here also I will show you a simple experiment by which we can produce the static electricity here. Like this one will be forming static electricity in the house. Suppose this we have taken a battery, and this is called a normal battery that we are using time to time. So I am just taking this type of voltages, and you see there will be a flash in these two things. When I am just keeping it close to it, here it is positive, this one is positive, and this one is negative. So now it's coming closer to each other, and see there will be a flash in the things. Clear? Just 1 minute you just see, and I will be showing you this one. How does this flash comes? Clear? So this one is coming like this. Okay, I am just this one happen. I'll be switching off. I am switching off this one, and I will see that there is a spark in these two things. Just see how the sparks are coming. See, just 1 minute. I'll show you the. See, this is the spark. I'm telling you. See, you have seen this spark. See, there is a spark here. So same type of spark we are getting in the. This is the spark, you see, and same type of spark we are getting here. This is sparking here. This is because of the induction. As there is two poles like this, so this is also two poles, positive and negative, and it is induced here. Because of this induction, what happens? No, this is negative charges, and this is forming positive charges. So it is induced, and the sparks are coming in these things where it is getting induced in these earthquake arresters. So in this way we are getting the spark. So sorry, it's not earthquake arrestor, it's a lightning arresters. I just told you like this. So you see once again the spark that we are getting here. So this is what spark we are getting. This type of sparks comes in the atmosphere very often. So we get these sparks. And don't do these experiments in the house, because no, what I am telling, I have taken enough precautions here, and I am giving the 6 volt, which is not possible in the house. So don't do it. I have just shown you for your interest only. Okay. Thank you, students.